Hello and welcome to our exciting new YouTube series, Mastering Python in 30 Days. I'm thrilled to have you here on day one as we embark on this incredible journey together. I'm your host, Sydney, and I'll be your guide throughout this series. So today we are diving headfirst into the world of Python programming by exploring one of the fundamental concepts, variables. Now, if you are new to programming or Python, don't worry, I'll be explaining everything in beginner friendly terms so you can grasp these concepts easily. And of course, we will be having demos, and I encourage you to also do them yourself. Remember, practice is the way to go. Now, one of the tool you can use Google Colab, and that is what we will be using. But you can also use online Python interpreters. They are there. You can make use of them. Later on, we will introduce you to PyCharm and the rest that you can also try to make use of. So in Python, variables are like containers that hold data. They give us a way to store and manipulate information. Think of them as labeled boxes where we can put different things and refer to them later. And I will show you how this works. You can take a look at this sample line of code. Here, we created a variable called message and assigned it the value hello world. Notice the equal sign between the variable name message and the value hello world. This is how we assign a value to a variable in Python. Now that we have assigned a value to our variable, we can use it in our program. Let's print the message on the screen. So to display the value of the variable, we can use the print function. It's a handy way to output information in Python, and you can see it in this line of code. When we run this code, it will display hello world on the screen. Simple. But wait, there is more. Variables aren't limited to just storing text. They can also hold numbers, lists, or even more complex data types. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning we don't have to specify the type of variable explicitly. It figures it out for us. For instance, we can assign a number to a variable like this. Now, the variable age holds the value 25, which can represent someone's age. We can perform various operations on this variable, like adding, subtracting, dividing, and so on, and Python will handle it effortlessly. That's the beauty of Python, its simplicity and flexibility. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future episodes. We'll be covering a wide range of Python topics to take your skills to the next level.